Hello everyone, I am Surendra Jain, Master Teacher in Vedantu. We are discussing paper of KVPY 2019 essay stream. This is question number 2 from part 1 from the topic quadratic. Let b be a non-zero real number. Suppose the quadratic equation 2x square plus bx plus 1 upon b is equal to 0 has two distinct real roots then, and we are given 4 options. Now, when we solve a question which says it has real and distinct roots, that means its discriminant d has to be positive, which is here b square minus 8 upon b. So that should be greater than 0. Now if we take LCM, it becomes b cube minus 8 upon b. It should be greater than 0. We can factorize it. We get b minus 2 into b square plus 2b plus 2 is 2 upon b greater than 0. Now this bracket b square plus 2b plus 2 has imaginary roots, so it will be always positive for all b. So if we use wavy curve method, we get two critical points, one 0 and one 2. So plus here, minus here, plus here. So the value of b for this condition, that is d to be positive, will be from minus infinity to 0 union 2 to infinite. Okay, let me write it once again. We are getting b to be minus infinity to 0 union 2 to infinite. Now option A, which says b plus 1 upon b greater than 5 by 2. I think it is wrong, because if b is negative, then this is not possible. So A is wrong. Now coming to b part, b plus 1 upon b less than 5 by 2. Again, it is not true, because as I increase b to infinite, okay, then b plus 1 upon b is going to be infinite, so it cannot be less than any finite number. And same is the logic for d also, because if b square is going to infinite, then b square plus 1 upon b square cannot be less than 4. So only option remaining is C. In fact, we can see that this option C says b square minus 3b plus 2, whose factors can be b minus 1 into b minus 2. Okay, now for both intervals, when b is negative, I think they both will be negative if b is negative, and if b is greater than 2, they both will be positive. So if b belongs to this interval, okay, then C option will be true. So answer for this question should be C. In fact, we can solve C also by wavy curve method, and we can see the solution of this will be subset of the solution we have obtained for B for the condition of D greater than 0. So answer for this is C. And yeah, so this completes the solution of this question. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for more solutions. Bye.